Hi guys! Today, meron akong, ito pala yung part of the Christmas gift. Nahuli na siya kasi winter weather here is so bad. So, instead of having this Christmas or after Christmas, then it's late. It's okay. It's still Christmas. Christmas every day, right? So, ngayon, is this my last Christmas gift? So this one is, I think I have this one for one of my Christmas list. It's a Paraffin wax machine. Oh, this is the Paraffin wax. I think this is 5 pounds total. And the maintenance for feet and for hands, 2 each for feet, for hands, if you want your feet also to be in the wax. Since winter, my hands is really dry, so that's why I need this thingy, paraffin wax. So this is look like this. Oh, it's perfect. It's obvious it's a lid, and this is the gloves, a plastic gloves. When you dip your hands in the wax, like warm natin siya, this one, so mag-melt siya in right temperature, pwede mong ilagay yung hands until like that. After that, for how many times? So we have the instruction how to use this. So I haven't tried this one, but I saw online it's really good for your dry hands, most especially winter time. Here my hands is really dry. And what's this? The brush, I guess. And another, this is the meat, also the gloves for feet and for the hands. So once you sink your hand in the wax, so you have to put the gloves and then put the mittens. So leave it for a while, so the wax will soak in your hands for a little bit, so it's good for your dry skin, dry hand, dry feet. So I haven't tried it, so we'll see. I'll let you know guys how it works, if it's good or what. So see you for the next video. So what's inside for this machine is just this. It's like a crock pot, but you know why this look like this? Because this one is need to be melt. This is the wax, and then when it's the right temperature, you're just gonna do this. Ta-da! Okay, I think I'll let you know guys if what's happened for this one, if I like it or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.